Here we have this 67 plate BMW 530e M Sport. It comes with the LED headlights and the black kidney front grills. We've also got the black splitter at the bottom, front and rear parking sensors with an in-car visual display for the rear reversing camera. We've got the gloss black 19-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport design blue caliper behind. We've also got the privacy glass for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and mirrors with a colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. We've also got the black spoiler lip on the tailgate just there. Onto the rear you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching, isofix points with the armrest in the centre and the vents for the passengers. We've also got the leather door card with the electric windows and handle just there. Onto the front we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with a grey stitching, both of which are electrically adjustable on the side just there, and both front seats are heated. We've also got the electric mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard we're free from any warning lights other than the service. So as you can see on the steering wheel we have the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift behind. We also have the volume with the paddle shift behind also. Onto the main screen you can see that we've got the satellite navigation here. It is flickering, but that's for the purpose of the screen. This does not happen in real life. We've also got the Bluetooth media with the DAB radio. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If I just go onto the menu and go across to my vehicle, into vehicle settings you can go down to lights and you can change the ambient lighting on the interior, and it runs across the dashboard and into the door as well. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see we've got the rear reversing camera there with the sensors on either side. Popping it back into neutral, making our way down, we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, the aircon and the heated rear window. We've also got the automatic gearbox here with the different drive modes select. So as I just press this button here, you can see on screen we've got the Eco Pro, we've also got the Comfort and we've got the Sport. Back down to here we've got the dial with the buttons for the screen just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.